How to add a new board on Monday. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to create a board on Monday. So let's get started. Now you can see this is one of my boards and I want to add a new board to my workspace. So you will click on this icon right here which says workspace, or you can just open it up from here. So this is my workspace, which is a default workspace, and I have all of these different boards created. To create a new board, you will click on add option right here, and now you can see new dashboard, new document and others, and it says new board. So I'm going to click on new board, and now we can give our new board a name. So let's go ahead and call it a test board. Then we have privacy. You can select main, private or shareable. So I'm going to go with shareable. It is going to be private, but the people I share the link with will be able to join it. Then we have select what you're managing in the board. So are we going with items, budget, employees, project, task, client, creatives? You can just select from here. I'm gonna select items, or we can go with projects as well. So let's say I will be managing projects. So I'm gonna select this option and click on create board. And there you go, your board has been created. You can see test board, and this is the board that I just created. Now I can of course, add views. I have my integrations, automate, power-ups, invite option, my items and group. This is how you can also go ahead and add a new board to your monday.com. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to the YouTube channel.